Hi, I'm Kat Reinhard. I head up the creative team here at Dash, and this is the Dash Chef Series Air Fryer Oven, our most versatile and advanced countertop oven. It's a convection oven, a toaster, an air fryer, a broiler, and it has a rotisserie. This is really the oven that does it all. The Chef Series Air Fryer Oven uses our trademarked AirCrisp technology with a high-powered convection fan for uncompromised flavor and crispy results every time. With full air fryer functionality, it's truly incredible how you can get delicious, crispy fried foods with hardly any oil. Air frying can reduce added fat content by up to 75% when compared to traditional deep frying. Anything I can make in my regular oven, I can make in my Dash Chef Series Air Fryer Oven, and I don't have to wait for it to preheat. It's especially handy around the holidays. When space is limited, I can use the Chef Series Air Fryer Oven to bake a delicious pie or side dishes and so much more. With the rotisserie function in this oven, I can guarantee fresh, juicy rotisserie chicken whenever I want. With 6 heating elements and dual thermostats, the Chef Series Air Fryer Oven is 10 times more accurate. Put simply, better heating means better and more consistent results. Here at Dash, helping you eat better is our #1 priority. That's why we work hard every day to create high-quality products and healthy recipes with a customer support team based right here in the USA. So start making crispy, fried food, fresh baked goods, homemade rotisserie chicken, and so much more with the Dash Chef Series Air Fryer Oven.